Uttarakhand continues to unfold. Sources tell your network that the centre may challenge the High Court order allowing the Congress government in Uttarakhand to take the floor test in the State Assembly on March 31st. The Uttarakhand High Court earlier today had asked the Harish Rawat government to prove its majority. This was one of the primary appeals from the Harish Rawat government that was suspended to bring in the president's rule in the hill state. But even as the court allowed Rawat government a second chance to prove their mettle, the court has allowed suspended rebel Congress legislators to also take part in the floor test. The question remains now is that whether this floor test will really be an advantage for the Congress or for the BJP.
मुझे संतोष है इस बात का कि माननीय हाईकोर्ट ने ऐसी ताकतों को एक जबरदस्त झटका दिया है। इस निर्णय के बाद आगे जो विभिन्न विधानसभाओं को अस्थिर करने की कोशिश हो रही है, जहां जहां विपक्ष शासित राज्य हैं जो उनको अस्थिर करने की कोशिश हो रही है, अब उस कोशिश पर विराम लग जाएगा।
Despite President's rule, there is enough scope for judicial review to allow a floor test to take place. The floor test was asked by us on the basis of past precedents of the Supreme Court. Mere horse trading allegations will not justify presidential rule and stop floor test. Court has implemented what the governor had thrice said, namely a floor test on 28th, and the Chief Minister had twice agreed. Their votes of the disqualified will be treated and kept separately for identification. Secondly, that they will be subject to the final outcome. Namely, unless the disqualification is removed, and today the disqualification stands, the votes will not be counted as a valid vote.
मुझे बड़ी हैरानगी होती है कि 2 दिन पहले अरुण जेटली जी आप सब से बातचीत कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने कई दफा जिक्र किया कि आज़ादी के पहली बार 65 सालों में पहली बार ये हुआ, मगर मैं समझती हूँ कि वो भूल गए ये कहना कि शायद हमारे आज़ाद भारत के इतिहास में पहली बार 24 घंटे पहले जब एक मुख्यमंत्री को अपनी बहुमत साबित करने का आदेश दिया गया है और उसके ठीक 24 घंटे पहले प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल लागू किया जाए, ये शायद पहले कभी नहीं हुआ।
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.